Hello, guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm so excited. This is me 3 days in a row. This streak is going, and I'm so excited. Also, I did give a blood test in the morning. I'll have to do it again after gym, after lunch, post lunch. This is my black coffee. That's how I like my coffee. No sugar, nothing. Ice though, because I love ice. Oh my god, I'm getting back. And my bad habits are also coming back with me. Especially the ice machine has just spoiled me so much. What do I tell you? Let's go to the gym. Let's head to the gym. I'm already late, but video is the priority. Okay, let me just drink some. It looks so divine. It looks so good. This is how you have to drink your coffee, especially before gym. You need your caffeine to give you the push. So nice. My pre-workout. Let's go. Let's go.
To the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. I'm jealous of the seasons as they change. Cause they seen you through the rain. And you ride through all the way.
Okay, I'm getting a beautiful angle after so long. Usually in the gym, it's like I just have to film in any way I can find, any space I can find, and any angle I can find. But now, it's a good angle. Let's do forearms. I hit shoulder, and now I'm doing forearms. But I don't think I can do both at the same time. Okay, I can. Forearm twists. 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 20, 25. Oh, okay. Yep, my forearms are sore already. This is my first time trying it with 5 kgs. Sunlight, the lighting is just divine. Subtle sunlight. मुझे natural lighting इतना पसंद है. I love waking up in the morning, going to the gym. This routine is what I desire. And I forgot. How many reps was this? Okay. Does not matter. My arms are sore. 4 arms to be specific. So I'm gonna stop that. इसके बाद I'll do ऐसे curls. You know? Target here. ऐसे अच्छे से. We'll take a minute break and then we will target it again. अभी के लिए I have my phone beside. I make sure to write down कि मैंने कितने reps किए थे कितने kgs के साथ. That's very important. Progressive overload करना is more important than aggressive overload of weights. And that's what I believe in. मैं बहुत धीरे धीरे weights increase करती हूँ. Since I have not been coming to the gym for the past 3 months, अभी तो मैं weights increase करूँगी ही नहीं. And पहले जितना मैं करती थी वहाँ तक तो नहीं आई मैं. You have to start everything from scratch again. जब हम gym छोड़ देते हैं, you have to go back to square one to your base weights. अभी जैसा मेरा base weight is 2.5 kgs in a few workouts and 5 kgs in a few workouts. But it did go up to 7.5 kgs and 10 kgs max the last time I was consistent in the gym. And abhi I'm not able to go to 10 kgs. 7.5 I don't know, like very few reps कर सकती हूँ मैं. Anyways, I feel pretty awkward, you know. Gym में बात करना, and this is like the only time I'm getting to talk in the gym. अभी बहुत कम crowded, to be honest, after a very long time. मतलब the past 3 days are feeling like a very long time. What the hell am I even talking? Yeah. Let me hydrate real quick. Okay, hello, कैसे हो? I know it's not been long, but I'll tell you something. I'm done with cool down and I did not film it because मुझे जल्दी जल्दी जाना है. I'm currently going a little low. Let me just show you real quick and चले जाएंगे. See? 100 and it'll go below. तो अगर low होगा तो problem है. जल्दी जाके खाएंगे. We'll eat food. Let's go. So beautiful. Let's go. तो मैंने कल कहा था that I'll make a plan of what I want to do with content creation and आगे जाके videos कैसे बनाने हैं क्या है एक structure बनाऊंगी and I did not plan that structure yesterday but I will definitely do that today and yeah I'm excited जल्दी जाएंगे we'll have lunch and we'll do the planning उसके बाद blood test भी देना है that's how the day is gonna go. This is a reminder to apply sunscreen. By the way, मैं जिम से आई खाना खाई और व्लॉग करना भूल गई. Sounds very much like me, right? Because it is me. मैं भूल गई थी बट फिर से याद आ गया मेरे को. I was like, I'm going for a blood test and मेरे को याद आया अरे ब्लड टेस्ट से पहले कुछ भूल रही हूँ मैं. And then I was like, I did not update you guys about it. So अभी मैं थोड़ा सनस्क्रीन लगाऊंगी because after taking a shower I did not apply sunscreen. I'll apply sunscreen and go out in the sun and just chill. ऐसे थोड़ा लॉन्ग ड्राइव करके लॉन्ग राइड करके we'll go to the gym. Sorry, gym again. See, gym पगलू फाइनल बॉस क्या कर सकते हैं. So ऐसा लॉन्ग राइड करके we'll go give the blood test and then ऐसा थोड़ा लॉन्ग रूट लेके we'll come back and work. वही करेंगे वर्क करेंगे and I've been working and I've been so productive. I forgot all about Roblox. Like in the past 1 week this is the first day where I forgot all about it and I take it as a success. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यार मेरे को ये सब कुछ करते हुए and I hope you guys are having fun. अगर आपको भी मज़ा आ रहा है तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो ना. Just subscribe to the channel already and hit that like button and share the video to your friends. Let's annoy them together. जो भी तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं दोनों मिलके annoy करेंगे उनको बहुत मस्त ना करेंगे. एंड ऑल्सो कॉमेंट करना लाइक वॉट काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज़ डू यू वॉन्ट मी टू मेक बिकॉज आई रियलाइज दैट लेटली आई हैव नॉट बिन टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज एग्जैक्टली. जो भी तुमको कॉमेंट करना है जनरली इन टॉपिक्स एंड अगर तुमको मेरे से डायरेक्टली बात करना है तो वो भी कॉमेंट कर देना. आई ऑलवेज रीड द कॉमेंट्स सो आई एक्चुअली हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ यू one-on-one in the comment section. Let's do it. I'm trying to engage more and I actually want my videos to work because I'm putting in a lot of effort and you are seeing it. तुम देख रहे हो तो you have 3 steps to do. First is subscribe, like and share the video and then the 4th step is comment. अगर अच्छा लगा तो comment whatever you liked in the video and if you have an opinion or if you have to communicate something with me वो भी comment करना. I'm telling it so many times because इतने बार बोलने के बाद भी याद नहीं रहता है तुमको. Okay, let me just go. चलो जाएंगे. चलो लेकर जाती हूँ मैं तुम्हें एंड आई शो यू कितना क्राउडेड रहता है. एक्चुअली दिस टाइम इट इज़ नॉट वेरी क्राउडेड. ये टाइम पे क्राउड ज़्यादा नहीं रहता है. यूजुअली इट इज़ वेरी क्राउडेड इन द मॉर्निंग्स स्पेशली अराउंड 10 and 11. द क्लिनिक्स आर सुपर क्राउडेड एंड द डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर्स एंड द क्लिनिक्स. ओके आई विल गो टू डॉक्टर टुमारो. मेरा चेकअप थोड़ा डिले हो चुका है दिस टाइम अराउंड because I was like super depressed and I was dealing the work and health all together. But आज रिजल्ट्स आने के बाद I'll take the report to doctor and then I'll be like doctor this is the report, tell me what to do next. We'll do that tomorrow. You'll see how the drill goes.
In your eyes that you've been lying by the hour. Moments wrong and you're right. I know that you're
I just got done with the blood test and the lady could not find my vein. My left hand vein is so hard to find all the time. My right hand is already done. मैंने सुबह दे दिया था ये हाथ से blood, so I give the other hand and it is so hard and it is hurting like crazy. अभी मेरे को ड्राइव भी करना है. Okay, never mind, I'm taking a 2-minute break and then we'll go back. Wow. Did you see that? My face is shining. Very bright. Like my future. तो अभी मैं टेस्ट करा के आई and here's what happened. My left hand ka nerve is very shy. It's like that Sharmila auntie. I don't even know why am I telling that. I don't even know how do I know Sharmila auntie. Anyways, it's like so shy. It like she could not find the nerve. The nurse could not find the nerve. Like the nerve of the nurse to be a nurse and not find my nerve. And then I was like, she poked me once and it hurt, of course. And then she poked me again to find the nerve and I was like, if you cannot find it, just take my other hand. It hurts. She's like, no, it's there. Undi kani dorkatlet. She was like, undi kani chala deep undi. And then she put it all, like the needle is this big and she put the entire needle in my hand and it was hurting, but we are through that. Now I'm back and the test is done. That's the update. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's all the same video, but I'm still doing it anyways. So I told you guys that I did not open Roblox today I am actually playing, collecting some money. And there were so many people around me just now. You know, my aura oozes in my Roblox character too. Dekho, this is my character. And this is a friend that I made who already follows me in my Instagram accounts. And he's been trying to tell something, but all I can see is some hashes because of the Roblox restrictions. I don't understand what he's trying to say though. Anyways, if you want to add me in Roblox, my ID is Fire and Ice Dragon 22. You heard that right. Sahi suna? Sahi suna tumne, sahi suna. I think the mic is too close. थोड़ा दूर रखेंगे. Mic को थोड़ा दूर रखेंगे. Otherwise, ऐसा तो पूरा muffled breathing सुनाई देगा तुम्हें. Oh yeah, मैं बोलना भूल गई. चाय का टाइम हो गया. This is my green tea. Oh my god, I love this time of the day. My face is so fucking like, इधर से देखो, इतना चुब्बी, इतना बड़ा. I like it. I still like it. Okay. I know that it is like that. It's the lens, but it is so adorable. अपडेट देना था मुझे. I wanted to update to you guys कि मैंने आज वर्क किया actually. I thought a lot about what I want to do with the creation journey and with the accounts, and I did किया मैंने. I wrote down a few ideas that I really want to film. So कल या परसों बाहर जाके हम लोग film करेंगे a few ideas. I'm so excited. And then अभी मैं थोड़ा free होके बैठी and I was like, it's my chai time. Tea time is a must. That's what Britishers say. Are you British? Maybe I am. Maybe a part of me is. Because I'm so many things. I'm everything and nothing. You know, I kind of feel like मैं dip हो रही हूँ. Let's check my sugars. If I am dipping though. कितना दम होता है यार. But lucky for me, I have, yeah. Oh my god, I knew it. It's 82. मुझे मालूम था मैं dip हो रही हूँ. I'm drinking tea at the perfect time. सही time पे चाय पी रही हूँ मैं. But I don't think this is gonna increase it because it has no sugar, nothing at all. It's just some green tea, detox tea. I keep saying detox tea को green tea. But it's all the same, I guess. थोड़ा flavor difference है बस. इसमें सिर्फ थोड़े पत्ते और पानी है. कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. I just love it. प्यार करती हूँ तुमसे. प्यार, इश्क, मोहब्बत. Subscribe, like, share, comment. अगर वो सब कुछ करोगे then मैं तुमसे भी प्यार करती हूँ. अगर नहीं करोगे तो नो प्यार, नो प्यार, नो लव. Okay, that's it. फिर से मिलेंगे. The video I made before, I realized that the mic was not on, so I'm doing it again. So I'm playing Roblox with my friend Maria, and this is her restaurant, and we are rebuilding her restaurant, like remaking, renovating. अभी हम फिर से बना रहे हैं. We are making a few modifications, and I'm helping her because I am having so much fun, bro. It's been a long time. When we first, like the first day that she introduced me to Roblox, that was the only day we played together. But now we are doing it again, 10 days later. Let's go. So this is her, and this is me. Oh wait, I'll show you. I wanted to show you this. Wait a second. Rukna, huh? Okay. So you see that? She and I have the same face, same hairstyle. Isn't that so funny and cute at the same time? I know it is. Now let me go and do that, and then I'll talk to you in a bit. तो अभी 11:30 बज रहा है. नो आई एम किडिंग, इट्स करंटली 12 एंड अभी मुझे सोना है, मैं जाके सो जाती हूँ. आई एंड द व्लॉग विद दैट. आज तो बहुत मज़ा आ गया तुम्हारे साथ. आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. कल मिलेंगे. टाटा बाय बाय. इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. एंड मैंने डिनर कर लिया था. आई हैड सम चिकन एंड रोटी फॉर डिनर. प्रोटीन ऑब्वियसली. एंड माई लेवल्स आर वेरी गुड राइट नाउ. इट्स good for me to go to bed now. I did want to sleep early today, but I lost track of time because I was working. But now I'll go to bed. If you're awake, आप जागे हो तो सो जाओ. If you're watching this late at night, then it's not good for your body to sleep so late. And yeah, it's ironic that I am telling this because I go into focus mode exactly at midnight. Okay, is it just me or is it you? Is it everyone these days where we are all becoming night owls or I don't know, day sleepers or whatsoever, night walkers, if you know what I mean. Night walkers are from Game of Thrones, and if you understand that, then you are the OG. Anyways, see you. Bye. I wanted to tell that, and I'll end the video with that. It is so beautiful. मुझे नींद आ रहा है. Like I know I am doing gym really good because हर दिन exactly around 10 मुझे बहुत नींद आ रहा है. That's when I know that my body wants rest and I'm exhausted physically and mentally. I'm always exhausted mentally, but physically भी I know that I am able to sleep. Usually like Prosin के बाद I was not able to sleep because of all the depression. But now that I'm exhausting my body physically, मैं सो पा रही हूँ, which is a good thing. So yeah, bye.